Hey there! Today's problem revolves around creating a relationship between tasks in a dataset. The issue at hand is the presence of an intermediary node that connects tasks, causing unnecessary complexity. The goal is to streamline the task connections and remove this intermediary node to establish direct links between relevant tasks. The solution provided involves identifying and removing these intermediary nodes to create direct connections between tasks. By analyzing the dataset columns for task relationships, we can flag and eliminate the unnecessary pass-through nodes. The code snippet focuses on generating the necessary links in nodes for the sankey-diagram visualization, both with and without intermediary nodes. In the first segment of the solution, the code processes a sample dataset containing tasks categorized into Q10, Q3, and Q11. It utilizes the pandas library to structure the data and the plotly library to create the sankey-diagram. The generate_links_and_nodes function parses the dataset, establishes task links, and identifies intermediary nodes to potentially remove them for a clearer visualization. Moving on to the next segment of the solution, the code dives deeper into the dataset, focusing on additional task relationships, including direct and indirect connections. The function generate_links_and_nodes is further refined to handle the specific task relationships in the dataset, ensuring that only direct connections are plotted in the sankey-diagram visualization. In summary, we tackled a data visualization problem involving task relationships and intermediary nodes in a dataset. By leveraging Python libraries like pandas and plotly, we effectively streamline the task connections and visualize the data in a clear and concise manner. I hope you found this solution insightful and helpful for your own data visualization endeavors. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this approach. Your feedback is always appreciated.